brainstorming with Mrs. Smith, our librarian, on how could we make this, one, a little easier for y'all to manage. Two, you're still doing the essay, but this gives you an opportunity to work parallel to someone. And you notice that did not say with someone, it said parallel to someone. So are both people still doing the whole essay? Mm-hmm. Yes. Now, my 5 who were on the ball, got those approved, and have already done tweaks. Y'all are in a special position. Okay? Y'all are kind of like, you know, in the game shows where you win an advantage. Okay, y'all basically won your advantage. So I'm going to break this down in just a second, okay? You and a partner are going to both be working on the same debatable issue. One of you will take pro, one of you will take con. Does that make sense? Okay? One is pro, one is con. So somebody is for something, someone is against something. Now, this is going to help you when you get to that counter argument because your partner is going to have a lot of information on the opposite view of yours, yes? So y'all can talk about that and you can figure out. So if these are the big things that they are against me, how can I show those aren't good arguments? Those aren't valid arguments. Okay? Now, I spoke of an advantage. My, 5 of you who had approved, ready to go, debatable issues. You get to keep your topic. You get to choose your partner. Okay? So basically, your partner is having to go on whatever side you want. But they are going to be very glad they have you because you've already developed a thesis statement, so they are basically mirroring the opposite. Nick, you have a question.
You have to have a partner that can go that way.
For this, I won't say no, you cannot work independently, but I will say that I think it is in your best interest to have that opposite view so you know what the other side is saying, so you can better develop that counter argument. That also gives you someone to work with when developing those thesis statements that still have to be approved by me. Remember, I said this Monday in class, it's been on Google Classroom, and I sent remind messages reminding you to make sure that you got that written approval. Yes? Okay. What questions do we have about that tweak to this? Because most of you are not far enough into this yet that that small tweak is going to totally derail what you're doing. There were also several of you that I noticed were kind of starting to lean in the same direction. So it would be good to find that partner. But remember, and I need you to be crystal clear on this. Are you both writing the same persuasive essay?
Yes.
No, not at all. One of you is pro, one of you is con. Same topic, 2 different papers. AJ? You have one topic, 1 one of you will be pro whatever that topic is, one of you will be con whatever that topic is. You are still responsible for research. You are still responsible for your bibliography. You are still responsible for everything in that packet regarding a full persuasive essay. The only advantage this gives you, put it up please, is that now you have a partner who might have found a really good resource related to that topic that doesn't work for them, but they're going to share it with you, and vice versa. Okay? So, what other questions do we have about this, or what concerns do we have about this? AJ? No. You're still writing your own paper. You and your partner are not sharing a document. The only thing y'all are sharing is the umbrella topic. Look.
So the people that didn't have their topic yet, they not get to pick their partner?
People who get first choice are the ones who already had theirs ready to go. Okay? After that, you have the option of picking your partner up to a point. If I don't think it's necessarily a good match, I'm going to express that I think in order for both of you to be successful, you need to make sure that you're not just picking a friend, you're picking someone that, one, you think can work well beside, because this is not with, right? And two, someone who is not going to, in any way, shape, or form, encourage you to not be focused. And I think all of you can appreciate that there are certain people that, yes, I love to be near, but I know if I'm near this person, I'm probably not going to use my class time well. So I need to think about that. Okay? Other questions or concerns? I will revise this on Google Classroom so you know exactly what is expected. Okay? Everything else is still the same. What is the only switch we're making? That you have a parallel partner, someone who's doing the same topic but looking at it a different